Hey guys, Kurt here, and thanks for coming to check out my myMailIt review. Now in this review, we'll be going over the sales page first, then we'll dive into the members area and take a tour around, then we'll talk about the front-end product and the OTOs, and then finally, we'll talk about the special bonus package I'll be giving you when you take action now and you grab your copy of myMailIt through my link. Now stick with me in this video because the special bonus package I have for you includes tens of thousands of dollars worth of bonuses. In fact, this is the highest value bonus package in terms of dollar value of any other affiliate promoting myMailIt. So stick with me, we'll get to that in a little bit. Okay. Now, myMailIt is coming to you from Brett Rutecky and Mike Thomas, who you probably also know as Mike from Maine. And in a nutshell, myMailIt is a lower cost, yet much more effective alternative to other autoresponder systems. Now, whenever I review a product, especially the sales page, I want to see certain things on a sales page. First of all, I want to see a good explanation of the product, because I hate blind sales copy. In the past, in the internet marketing industry especially, we used to have a lot of blind sales pages, which basically they told you kind of a very vague description of what the product was, give you talk about a lot of benefits and stuff, and then you never knew what you were going to get until you actually bought it, okay? And then you had to fight to get your money back, and it was a pain. Well, Mike and Brett are always really good at making sure that everything about their software, about their products, are explained fully on the sales page. So you'll want to read through here and learn all about what myMailIt is. Right here, Brett has a video where he explains exactly why he developed the software. Now, whenever Brett creates a software, he always creates it for his own business first. And then if he sees that that may be valuable to the marketplace, he'll release it out to the public. So he's been using myMailIt in his own business for quite a while, and finally decided that it's good enough that it can actually be given and released to the public where everyone else can benefit from it. Okay. So read through the sales page here. I like to see things like results, demos, testimonials, things like that. But one of the most important things I like to see is I like to see that the people behind the product are standing behind it. And what better way to stand behind a product than with a money-back guarantee? Now, obviously, nobody can guarantee results with anything. That's completely up to you. But what they can guarantee is your satisfaction. And what Brett and Mike have done is they've offering a 14-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not completely satisfied with the software for any reason whatsoever, just let them know within 14 days you'll get your money back. Okay, so it's a win-win situation. Okay, so let's go and dive into the members area. We'll take a tour around, then we'll talk about the front-end product and the OTOs, and then finally we'll get to that special bonus package. All right. So let me go ahead and log into my account. And right here is actually a demo of the software you can check out. And actually, there should also be a demo on the sales page. Check it out and you can and see what results Brett has gotten from using the software. Okay, so let's go ahead and log in. And let's go ahead and take a tour around. So once you log in, you come to your front dashboard, and you're going to see your main stats. Your basically what I would call your global stats. Okay, you're going to see your unique subscribers, total messages, total clicks, total lists you've created, and your total opens. Okay, you're also going to see your subscribers from today, your unsubscribes, and your recent email bounces. All right. So and if you go up to the top here, we can, and first of all, make sure that you watch the tutorials that Brett has created right here, okay, before you do anything else. That's going to make it a lot easier to run the software and get things working the way you want it. Under emails, you're going to see all the emails you've created. Now, of course, you have to create a list first, but this is where all your emails that you've written are going to be listed. Your sequences, these are your follow-up sequences for your email lists, okay? So, I mean, some autoresponders call them campaigns, some call them lists. No matter what they are, these are the follow-ups that are going to be inside those lists or campaigns, okay? If we go to lists, this is where you create your lists. Again, whether you call them lists or campaigns, it's all the same thing. We'll get to tools here in a second. Your subscribers, this is your list of subscribers. Your total number of subscribers. You can actually show subscribers from a certain list, or show the total number of subscribers you have within the system. Okay. This is where you check, where you fix your settings. This is very important here. Now, these settings are going to be unique to you only. So my settings here, that's not going to help you. This is going to be unique to you only. This is where you set in your own email settings, your SMT settings, etc. Because myMailIt runs off of your server's SMTP settings. Now, you may think, well, why do I want to do that? Well, here's the thing. Compared to other autoresponder systems, like say, and I'm not bad-mouthing anybody, there's a lot of great software out there, Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp. There's a new one from Joel Tarian called SendShark that's from heard is really awesome. But with all those systems out there, everyone is sending from those servers. And what happens is, the more that come from those servers, the more likely emails are going to get into the spam folders of your subscribers. With this, it's going to be sent from your emails, your server, your domain, your email address. Everything's going to match up, so you're going to get more emails in the inbox. Okay, so this is where you put all those settings in, and if you don't know how to do it, just talk to your your hosting account, your hoster, your web host, excuse me, and they will get you set up or help you with all the settings. And Brett's actually has a couple of tutorials in here from some of the major hosts, web hosts that are out there that you can go through and use those as a guideline to set your stuff up. But again, this is going to be your unique settings in here for your web host. Also, you may even use a third-party SMTP relay. You can also put the settings in for that. So no matter what they are, your settings, again, will be unique to you, okay? It's not going to be the same as what you see here. These are my own settings, all right? And in fact, I don't know if these, I could check these settings myself anyway and make sure they're working right. But again, that's what makes it that's what the beauty of the software is. It's going to use your settings, so it's unique. Okay, it's not like a million people using Aweber or a million people using GetResponse or whatever, and all sending emails to someone, and basically you're going to get thrown into spam because everyone's using the same sending server. Okay, so. And if you want to contact support, just click here and you contact Brett. He'll help you with whatever you need help with. Okay. And right here's a video explaining how to set up your settings. And under tools, these are the extra tools you have with the software. Now, some of these tools are only available with some of the OTOs. Okay. But we'll get that in a minute. You have a form builder, list reports, list checkup, a done for you lead pages, and your bonuses. Now, these are bonuses here that Brett and Mike are offering with your purchase. So no matter what affiliate you buy through, you're going to get these here in the members area. So you're going to get these plus my bonus package, which we'll go over in a few minutes. And what you got here, these are some of the top selling softwares that Brett and Mike have put out over the past few years. And you're going to get agency and or reseller rights to these products. Now, agency rights, what that means, this is something that Brett has set up, where you can actually take his software, use his sales page, and just stick your own buy button on the sales page and sell it as your own product. In fact, recruit your own affiliates, okay, and have them sell a product for you and make money. This is one of the most important things as an internet marketer, is having your own product, okay? And this is going to help you get to that point, okay? Sure, these may be products that Brett created, but you're selling them as your own product. Start doing this, and then as time goes on, you'll be able to create your own products from scratch and basically blow up your business. This is how I was able to increase my business and increase my revenue by utilizing Brett's agency system with some of his other software that's not listed here. And I was able to take that and basically blow up my business because I was able to sell a product that was high value that people needed. Okay, so you're going to get agency / resale rights to the affiliate track software, to Profit Canvas, Instant Video Site, Review Wizard. You're going to get the Spread Circle. This is his internet marketing training. Video Takeover. You're also going to get access to Content Lock, Link Master, Bounce Baby, and Slide Capture plugins. And then here, Brett has some extra bonuses for you. You're going to be able to, you can join his Facebook group here. You're going to get access to the ClickBar Gold version, the plugin. You're going to get access to the Facebook Pixel Insert plugin, the Jack Checker Gold plugin, and the Support Chat plugin. Okay, all that you're going to get with your purchase of myMailIt. Okay, now let's go over the front-end product and the OTOs, and then we'll talk about my special bonus package. Okay, so the front-end and OTOs. First of all, the front-end product is going to be the myMailIt software, which we just talked about. You're going to get full access to the cloud-based, and I'm going to read this off of my review blog post here. You get full access to the cloud-based email platform, unlimited list, unlimited subscribers, unlimited emails, unlimited follow-up sequences, $37 one time. Now, what other autoresponder software out there can say they give you all that for a one-time price of $37? They can't. Aweber goes up and up and up as your list grows. GetResponse, same thing. MailChimp, same thing. The only one that actually stays the same is TrafficWave at a monthly cost of $17.95. Okay, but that's every single month. Okay, this is a one-time price. OTO number one is myMailIt Pro, which is going to allow you to send emails 30 times faster. You're going to get the done-for-you lead pages, and you're going to get the myMailIt branding will be taken off your emails. See, on the front-end product, you're going to get the myMailIt branding on your emails. With the Pro version, that branding is, you have the option of taking that branding away. Okay. The second OTO is the unlimited agency license, which, like we talked about before with the other products, you're going to be able to sell myMailIt as your own product and be able to sell unlimited copies of the product. Okay. Finally, you're going to get the last OTO is the live email marketing training with Mike and Brett, where they talk to you about where they teach you list building and effective email marketing strategies. Okay, all of that is part of the myMailIt funnel. Okay, $37 for the front end product, and then of course we have the Pro version, the agency license, and of course the email marketing training. Okay. Now let's talk about bonuses again, because we just went over the bonuses that Brett and Mike are offering. Let's talk about my special bonus package. Okay. And there's a lot to go over, so I'm going to go over it really, really quick. These are the bonuses you're going to be getting from me when you take action now. You're going to get, and you grab your copy of myMailIt through my link. Now, I'm not going to spend too much time going over each one. You can actually check out the bonus page yourself. But here we have these bonuses here. You're going to get. Some are personal use rights, but majority of them have master resale rights or private label rights. Okay, so you can actually take these and resell them or give them away to build your list. Okay, this is why I added them in here. I wanted to add something that I thought would give you value, that you could take and use myMailIt to, for your autoresponder, and then you have these products that you can resell and even use to build your list. Okay, so we have this cautionary email marketing, master resale rights to that, email profits for beginners, get PLR to that. And I'm not going to spend too much time going over each one, but as you can see here, there's a ton of bonuses right here. Okay, this is a list building system that I use. It's a free list building system where you can actually get other people to build your list for you. Okay, very effective. Okay, I'm only going to stop over a few of these. I'm not going to spend time going over every single bonus in here. You'll want to make sure you actually go and visit the bonus page yourself. Okay, a few case studies from some friends of mine, results they've gotten in their business. Okay, some more software, more reports, more courses here. Okay, a lot of things, like I said, a lot of things with master resale rights and PLR rights and regular resale rights. Keep scrolling through, a lot more stuff. Okay, all this stuff you're going to get. Okay, you're not going to get any of this with anybody else. Okay, more software. Okay, more courses, case studies, and we'll keep going and going and going. I think we're fine almost near the end. And then this is the cream of the crop right here. $31,500 in free advertising. Okay, these are promo codes from some of the top online advertising sources. You're going to be able to get a lot of free advertising. Okay, this is my Set and Forget Money system. Okay, it's going to show you how to use free traffic and list building sources to build a list and generate income. Okay, and you're going to get all this again, with your purchase of myMailIt. Okay, so with that, guys, and one thing I want to keep in mind though, you're going to find on this, if you're on my review, on my blog posts for my review, you're going to see this a countdown timer, and on there you're also going to see one here on the bonus page. Okay, the product is launching on April 8th, 2018 at 10 a.m. Eastern, and it's going to be closing out the night of April 10th at midnight. Okay. once that timer hits 0, once April 10th, 11:59 p.m. midnight hits, the bonus are gone, and also the launch of myMailIt will be over with. So what that means is that if the product stays on the market, it's going to be a much higher price. Chances are, though, it might actually be taken away. Okay. Also, you may be thinking, actually, let me go back to my blog post here real quick. I want to point out a few things. Okay. Point out some of the good and bad, the pros and cons. Okay. Now, you might be thinking, okay, great. Okay, what's the pros and cons of this? Because me personally, when I do a review of a product, I want to make sure that I let people know what I like about it and what I don't like about the product. Okay, because no product is perfect. Okay, everything's got good and bad. Okay, so with the pros of the software is it gives you full control over your email list. You are not dependent upon the arbitrary decisions of a third-party autoresponder. Okay, you won't be limited by what your autoresponder will allow. Okay, you'll be branding yourself as a serious marketer by utilizing your own settings in your autoresponder. Okay, and you have no limit to how big your business can grow. You're not limited to, okay, well, if it gets over 500 or 1,000 subscribers, I got to pay this autoresponder more money. Okay, or you're not limited by the fact that this autoresponder may not like this business opportunity or this product or this type of whatever. Okay, your business is free to grow as large as you want. Okay. The cons, however, is that in order to use it, you must use your own settings. Now, this can be a little bit tricky because not most of the shared servers out there, shared hosting out there, has a very slow email throttling or very slow rate of allowed emails to be sent out. So what you'll have to do is actually find a host that actually has a higher throttling rate. Basically, allows you to send emails at a faster rate. Now, there are some good ones out there. And the thing about it is this. The money you're saving by not spending money, and this is actually another pro, the amount of money you're saving by not paying a monthly autoresponder service, you can use that money to purchase a web hosting account with a high email throttling rate, which of course means you can send out emails at a faster rate. Okay. Now, there are people out there. There's a few kinds of people out there with this product is concerned. Excuse me. There are those who would love to totally cut the cord from the autoresponder service they're using. Okay, whether it's AWeber, GetResponse, whatever it is, totally cut the cord. And for those people, myMailIt is absolutely perfect. Okay, you can totally just take your business, move all your subscribers from those autoresponders into myMailIt, and never worry about those guys ever again. However, there are those out there who like the option of using a third-party service. For those people, myMailIt is also perfect because you can take your subscribers from those autoresponders, copy them over to myMailIt, and then you have a few things going for you. You can still send from your autoresponder, and then also send from myMailIt, so you can guarantee that those subscribers will get those emails. And also, if for some reason something goes wrong with your autoresponder, maybe they shut your account down, or they get blacklisted, or they go out of business, or whatever happens, myMailIt is there, and you've got everything backed up. Okay, so no matter no matter which side you're on, myMailIt is perfect for you. Okay. Now with that, guys, I want to thank you very much for watching this review. Again, remember, the product's launching April 8th, 2018 at 10 a.m. Eastern, and it's closing out the night of April 10th at midnight. Make sure you get your copy in between those times to make sure you guarantee the best possible price and to make sure you secure your bonuses. Okay? So with that, guys, thanks very much for watching. Look forward to catching you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.